This is what a running stitch looks like. It's a hand sewing stitch. It's temporary and we use it for joining fabric pieces together, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do. Using a single thread with a knot at the end, get your layers of fabric, working from the top into your fabric, and your stitching is going to be between 3 to 5 millimeters. You go in, down and out, and you keep your fabric on the needle so the fabrics are creating little folds. So you're going in, bring your needle out, in, and bringing your needle out. And then once you've got enough on your needle, it'll be a case of pulling your needle through so that your stitching can be seen. When you get the hang of using this stitch, it's quite easy to do. It's quite a quick method. It's just a case in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Gather it all onto your needle and then pulling through.